Brittany Snow is opening up about the importance of self-care. At the premiere of her new movie, The Good Half at the Tribeca Film Festival on Thursday, the actress, 37, spoke to people about how she's been navigating the past few months amid her divorce from Tyler Stanland. "I think everybody goes through really tough periods, and then it's all in our perspective and how we deal with it, right?" says the Hairspray star. "Because nobody's immune to tough periods in their life. And all I'm trying to do is focus on myself and tune out the noise." Snow filed for divorce from Stanland in January, 4 months after the couple announced their separation in September 2022. She had married the now star of Selling, the OC, back in March 2020. "After time and consideration, Tyler and I have made the difficult decision to separate. This decision was made with love and mutual respect for one another," Snow said in a statement about their separation on Instagram at the time. "We have realized we need to take some time and make sure we are each living our most fulfilling and authentic lives. We started this journey as best friends, and our relationship will continue to be a priority, not only for us but for our dog Charlie," she added. "We sincerely appreciate your support, and ask for privacy as we navigate this new chapter." Last month, Snow revealed that one of her Pitch Perfect co-stars nursed me back to health during a tricky time as she discussed her mental health, support, and awareness book, September Letters, Finding Strength and Connection, in sharing our stories, which she co-authored with Jasper Guest. In an interview with Bustle, the actress reflected on how a strong support system guided her through a tumultuous year. "In the past year I went through probably the hardest mental health challenge I've ever faced. In one day, in a matter of hours, my life turned completely upside down," she said. "I was blindsided, and everything I thought I knew, held sacred and truly trusted in my life was completely different. A couple days later my grandmother passed away, and I think everything I knew about mental health was tested," added Snow. "Thank God for my friends. I don't know if I would have made it without them. They reminded me who I was and the things I stood for." Though she didn't name her Pitch Perfect co-star, Snow said the individual was instrumental in helping her through the difficult time. "The last year has been really tricky for me, and one of the girls, I just, opened up her door and I just fell down to the ground and just cried and laid there," Snow said. "And she basically nursed me back to health for like 4 days. And it wasn't the one that I thought was going to be able to do that either." She added that her co-stars from the musical franchise really did get to become close friends, if not family. Someone else who has started to feel like family for Snow is Nick Jonas, who she stars with in The Good Half. The pair play siblings in the movie, which tells the story of an emotionally distant writer called Ren Jonas, who returns to his hometown of Cleveland for his mother's funeral, having spent years avoiding his sister, Snow, father, Matt Walsh, and stepfather, David Arquette. "I am a Nick Jonas fan, specifically. Especially after doing this movie," Snow tells people at the premiere. "I love him as a brother because we got to play brother and sister, but I got to know him as a human, and as a person and as a brother. I think that he is so talented and also just a really, really good person that deserves all of the success. And that's a hard thing to come by when you're that successful, and you deserve all of it. And so I wish him nothing but the best."